to make this application. So as you can see, these are the users, and this is the database of the whatever like logged in or pantry items created. So this app is deployed on Vercel. So this is the main link for the application. Each link and each button on the home screen is responsive. So for example, if I click on home, it reloads the page. If I click on features, it takes me to the features, like features tab. When I click on about, it takes me to the about tab, and just if I want to log in a register, if I click on get started, it redirects to the login form. So like if you are a new user, you can click here, so it takes you to a registration form, and if you already have an account, you can just go here, log in. It takes you back to the login form. So for now, I will use the existing account. So just log in. When I log in, it takes me to the my account. So like, welcome Rajeshwari, this is the username that I had given during the registration, and this lets you do operations like adding the items in the pantry, or updating it, or deleting it. And like if you have to add an item, then you need to give an item name, the amount, the expiration date, and the category, like for what it is exactly, fruit or vegetable, or if it is not in the list, then you can just click other. And if you click on add item with nothing in the form, it will give you the prompt to fill something. If you're going to add an item, it needs to have quantity 1, so you cannot have quantity 0, so the quantity field will always be 1. Then there is a feature of search, and for example, if I type in any alphabet, it will give me the a list of items having that alphabet in it. Like for example, it is honey, roasted peanuts, or raspberry. Then apart from that, it has I have used pagination, which like I have given a limit of 15 items per page. So if the items are more than 15, it goes to another page. So if I click on page 1, it will show me the items of like 15 items on page 1, and then the remaining items on page 2. To update, for example, if I want to update this, I can just go here, click on update, then I will get the form with whatever content. Now for example, I have misspelled it, so I'll just spell it correctly, and I'll just update it. So once it is updated, again it will come to ads. That means it is updated. The recent added and updated will always be on the top of the list. So this is something that I have done so far. Also, I have applied session to this. So for example, if I try to go back or something, it will not let me until unless I log out from the account. Yeah, that's it. So if I'm done with my whatever I have to do in the application account, so I can just click on log out, and it will take me back to the home page. So this is something that I have done so far, and for future scope, I will add a shopping list to the account. Like if the user wants to shop something, they can create their own shopping list, and I will be adding image classification. So if a user wants to just let the system analyze the object, and then they want to add the item, so these two are something that I will be keeping for the future scope. And my login form also needs some work, so that will also be in the future scope of the application. So this is something that I have done so far for PantryPulse.